my channel. How are you all? Answer to that question, please leave it in the comment section below so I would know what are you up to. So in today's vlog we are just going to eat some random stuff that I have ordered. Like I just went online and I was like, oh, this looks good, I should order this. And then I was like, this looks tasty, I should order this one too. So I hope all of these things are really tasty and amazing. So let's begin. So let's start our vlog with some garlic bread. I love garlic bread and I feel most of us love garlic bread. But then when it comes to garlic bread, I don't really like those which are like those round shape and cheese on it. I like when it's made from their house-made buns. So I like it that way. I don't know about you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. Okay. So let's get into the details. So this garlic bread is from Mom's Magic Pizza and More. Looks good. Okay, and this was for rupees 150 and it's kind of good price, right? Like 150. Now I'm gonna open it and show you so that we would know if it was worth the price. And I kind of feel it is already. The smell is so good. I can smell oregano and all those things. So let's just go ahead. Oh my god, look at this. It looks so beautiful and I'm sure it's their house-made bun. And can you see how much oregano they have already sprinkled? And I love it. Like I love oregano with, you know, garlic bread. And this is of course cheese garlic bread, because garlic bread without cheese, it's like nothing. I can definitely see some sweet corn. I think there is probably some, okay, there is sweet corn and cheese and the bread is thick. It looks good. Oh my god, my mouth is already watering. It looks so amazing. I'm definitely sure that it's gonna taste good. And they also gave me tomato ketchup with it. Okay, let's just eat it. Wow. It's so satisfying. The bun is really good. It's amazing. Okay. It's so good. I really loved it. I can just have this every day. It has the perfect texture, taste and good amount of cheese. Okay, they have added a lot of oregano, but that works for me. If you don't like it, then you might have to mention it, because what if you're that kind of person who doesn't love oregano as much as I do? And no extra oregano or chili flakes, those, you know, little sachet whatsoever. But then okay, it works for me. I loved it. For 150 rupees, it's too good. And yeah, it's filled with cheese. The bread is amazing. What else you want? I love this garlic bread. Dish number 2 that we have over here are these momos. I think momos सबको पसंद आते हैं. I'm not sure, but I love them. Like I really love them. There was a phase where I used to eat just momos, and I don't know why. That kind of went away eventually. मतलब eventually मैंने खाना बंद कर दिया. But then I just today felt like, okay, I might as well try it again. So here we have these momos from the Momo's house, and these momos are called veggie light steamed momos, and it was for rupees 169. The prices are okay, like I guess. So here we have our momos. These are tiny looking momos. Really tiny, I would say that. And actually the coating is quite thick, and I'm not really fond of thick coating, but let's just hope. There are like It's filled with lots of vegetables. Mostly I can see cabbage and carrot, and I don't know what else, but thick momos are not really my thing. Momos without chutney, it's so bland. Like I don't feel कि momos चटनी के बिना actually कभी खाया जा सकता है. I think this is mayo. I think this is mayonnaise, yeah. चटनी के बिना कोई मोमो खाता है क्या कभी? If you do, please leave it in the comment section below because I would love to know कि ऐसा कौन है जो चटनी के बिना मोमो खाता है. This is actually Szechuan chutney, but I prefer momo wala chutney. I don't like this chutney with. I like Szechuan chutney, but not with this. But I feel कि momos की चटनी के साथ ही अच्छा लगता है. It has a different taste and flavor. This one is also nice, but I would prefer momos with my momos chutney. But ठीक है. These are like nice. There is no wow factor in this. Like, you know, that wow factor. Usually when I say wow, it's like, okay, momos hai, let's eat it. I can't find any wow factor. And there is no momo chutney also. I can taste a lot of ginger for sure. And vegetables, as I told you, cabbage hai, carrot hai. Actually only 2 of them I can taste. मैदे का मतलब वो जो coating है थोड़ा ज़्यादा thick है for my taste. Some people love it, some people don't. So yeah, it didn't really go for me. Okay guys, so the next thing that we have over here are these chicken nuggets. Oh, did I hear people clapping? Because I'm pretty sure कि chicken nuggets बहुत सारे लोगों को पसंद है. I'm definitely sure that you're one of them. Because come on, it's chicken nuggets. These chicken nuggets are from Boston Bread or Boston Breads, one of it. You will get all the details. This was for rupees 222 and let's dive into it. Okay, so here we also get some kind of side thing. Not that it's free, you have to pay for it. Like they have couple of options, Szechuan sauce, mayonnaise, and 1 or 2 options. I have opted for peri peri. I don't know why, I just felt like ordering peri peri, so I did. And it makes no sense actually ordering this, right? It doesn't, because I need some dip, not peri peri. Okay, actually I was kind of hoping that it was peri peri dip and not the peri peri, you know, the actual peri peri masala. Not tasting bad. It's not tasting bad. Like if I'm having it with peri peri, ऐसा वो you know तीखा flavor आ रहा है. But if you call for it, I would suggest that if you want peri peri, then you call for peri peri and some dip so that you can have both the things together. Your ghar ka sauce would also work. They charge like 25 rupees extra for the dip, and peri peri was for rupees 20, I guess. These are not really bad, but yes, these are quite hard. And this was for rupees 222, right? And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, around 10 pieces. And 222 rupees, it's quite good. Actually not even for 222, because if I minus the 20 rupees, it is somewhere around 180. Be prepared to eat some hard stuff, because these are little hard and dry as well. And flavors are mild as usual. मतलब chicken nuggets में वैसे भी flavors mild ही होते हैं. Chicken nuggets खा के मज़ा तो बहुत आ रहा है. Wow. Moving on, here we have hummus and chicken shawarma from The Olive. It was for rupees 275 and I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. Hummus and shawarma. Sounds good. And some pickle, some dipping, and okay, I think that is hummus for what I believe. That is, oh my god, these are like the cute little pita bread, and here we have our shawarma, and then we have our hummus and pickle. Oh my god, I already love this dish. I already do. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and open my shawarma as well. Shawarma actually मेरे भाई का favorite है, and I think he can eat that thing every day. He just loves it. Okay, I'm staring at him, but he's not looking at me. Okay, he's just busy eating other stuff, you see. So yeah, let's open it. Double wrap. I already love this thing. Like shawarma, pita bread. Sounds good to me. Here we have our pita bread. It's made from pita bread, and then some hummus is also inside, chicken, some veggies, and of course this is pickle. So it's loaded with lots of stuff. Do I have to say anything? No, right? The shawarma is quite bland. If you're not that kind of a person who loves to have bland stuff, then you might not like it. It's not even sour, you know. Shawarma usually sour होता है, तो उतना sour नहीं है. Maybe if I add some pickle in it, then it might get better, but it's not bad. For people who love bland food will love this. It's loaded with lots of chicken. It's less on salt. I kind of like that about this dish. मतलब अच्छा तो टेस्ट कर रहा है, but मैं ना थोड़ा तीखा पसंद करती हूँ. So for me it might not work. The hummus is really sour actually. लगता है इसमें की sourness निकाल के सारी इधर डाल दी है. But yeah, it's good. I'm already pretty full, and actually I don't have really any space left for this last thing. I think I didn't mention it, right? This is a hot dog from Hot Dogs, and this was for rupees 201, and I'm just gonna open it and eat hot dog. Oh, frankly speaking, okay. And this is the classic hot dog. Yeah, this is the classic hot dog. Here we have some mayonnaise and then some red sauce, probably chili sauce, and then here we have this small chicken sausage, and that's it, this bun. Okay, this concept is kinda alien to me because I'm not really a hot dog fan, but then today we were trying some random stuff, right? And this is one of the random stuff that just popped up in my head. Okay, so yeah, I might as well give it a shot. I've never tried hot dog. I might as well go ahead and try it. Actually, I'm kind of feeling weird to eat it. Like, it feels like I'm preparing myself. Okay, how bad it can be. Okay. Sorry, but it does have some weird taste which I'm not able to explain. I just had this for the first time and I'm feeling weird. Okay. I have no idea how to explain this thing. I can taste mayo. I can taste mayonnaise and chili sauce for sure. And it has kind of bland taste, like not much flavor, and I cannot pinpoint exactly the weird taste that it has. But yeah, it has kind of a charcoal mustard. Okay, now I got it. It has that mustard taste, which is little different, but it's coming from the sausage. It's not coming from the sauces, okay? And it has that charcoal, so charcoal and mustard. So you can definitely get that combination right.
So guys, now we have come to the end of this vlog, and now we are gonna rate my experience on my festive meter. Okay, I'm kind of full. I had a lot of stuff, like I ate a lot, but then yeah, like random stuff really didn't work out well for me. Like I liked it, okay, I liked the food, but there was nothing wow about it. Like the only wow thing was the garlic bread. Other than that, everything else was quite okay. Like nothing really impressed me. Like I was like, oh my god, ऐसा मेरे साथ बिल्कुल नहीं हुआ. So I'm gonna rate my experience 7.5 out of 10 on my festive meter. Okay, so the ratings are quite fine. I'm not really kind of fan of today's food, but then yes, if you want to call for garlic bread, just go for it. It's super tasty. Other than that, everything else is okay. It depends on person to person, like what you guys love eating. If you like eating bland food, then you might just like it, and if you love hot dogs, you might love that too. So I think it goes person to person. For me, it was okay. That's it. That's all for today. Okay, I'm planning for Indian dessert food vlog for my next vlog. If you guys want to watch that vlog, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and obviously leave a comment in the comment section below. So guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here. See you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.